Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to fix the suspicious download blocked error in Google Chrome. If Chrome keeps blocking your files even when you know they're safe, don't worry. This is how you fix it step by step. Chrome sometimes blocks downloads if it thinks they might be dangerous or suspicious. This happens even with files you trust, especially zips, EXEs, or files from less popular websites. Now, let's go over how to allow them safely. First, reattempt the download. When you see the warning in the bottom bar of Chrome, click the small arrow next to the blocked file and select Keep or Allow Anyway. If that doesn't appear or you don't see the option, continue with the next steps. Only do this if you're 100% sure the file is safe. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome Go. To Settings, then go to Privacy and Security, scroll down and click Security under Safe Browsing. Choose No Protection, Not Recommended. Try downloading the file again. Once done, go back and re-enable Safe Browsing for security. If Chrome keeps blocking your download, try using another browser like Firefox, Edge, or Brave, especially if you trust the source. This can help bypass overly strict security filters without disabling settings. And that's it. Now you know how to fix the suspicious download blocked message in Chrome and download files you trust. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if Chrome is still giving you trouble. Thanks for watching. Stay safe online.